show my camp how it's looking. This is actually this kitchen or terrace, or I call it here the bedroom, and that is actually the place where I store all the stuff. It's my bicycle, bag with clothes, and it's very easy accessible from this door, and ladder which goes to the second floor, so to say. And here possible to store all the stuff, you know. It's very easy when you want to change clothes or store something. So here on the ground I put some ground covers, military ones, very good ones. They're very watertight and very pleasant to walk on this. Actually one of these is here. They're like some kind of double-sided. One is black side and another one is silver, and silver is upper part. So it's ground sheet shelter liner. Actually that's exactly for the purpose. So that's how the camp look. I have 2 chairs. Actually a lot of mosquitoes here, so I made a small system here just with repellent against mosquitoes. Because actually I'm putting right now an Optimus. Here I have this storage cupboard for stuff, lamp which I use nice, sort of paper table, and car is like a storage place actually. Also I have this actually also military, Swiss military reservoir for the water. Here's a trash bin. This one I use as a frame for this knitting. Very nice place here under the olive tree. Yes, that's how it looks like. And this place I use tarp actually. Tarp was also good as a ground sheet, but I think maybe I will prefer these ground sheets which I bought here actually in military shop, those ones, because they are smaller, easy to maneuver with them, so to say, put it around, and can be configuration put differently than one piece of. This is 3 meters by 3, and those are 3 meters by 1, so it's actually you need 3 pieces to cover the same area, but it's more convenient. So that's a short view of my camp at this place. Weather is nice. Today we will go to check the Karmak National Resort. Just we'll go through around, and maybe in the evening we'll have another camp. And weather is good. That's how my breakfast look like. Coffee, yogurt, egg, orange juice, oatmeal porridge, and some ham. So easy, and for me it's very good. You never know where you end up actually. I came to this place in France where it's a military shop, and I just want to buy a couple of tarps here because just to cover the ground. And suddenly there was nice people, and all the shop showed me a pizzeria they have inside this shop. It's very nice. He says only for French. Here's actually this place. It's very fantastic actually. A lot of military surplus. So there is a black cat here. So yes, he's my dog.
Bonjour.
Yes.
Ça va?
Hello. Hello.
Ça va? Vas-y.
Yes, nice place. Very nice French place.
Moi je suis né à l'île Sud, à Oisem, au-dessus de Oisem.
Hey guys,
Mon copain russe va faire une
what for Sunday?
Vas-y. Oui, c'est Jérôme. C'est toujours russe.
Good place, very good place. Just
Faut gratter le collier, comme ça. Le chien c'est le meilleur ami de l'homme.
Ronda in French restaurant. There's another dog here actually.
Tu veux que je passe comme ça pour toi?
Huh? Ah yes.
Pareil, nous on est restés. Ma mère elle a.
Là? C'est bon?
French restaurant, small one.
Ma mère elle est là. Viens en vacances. Viens de route, fais ton pot, les gens te laissent.
C'est bon? Je prends le chien. Michel, je suis devenu journaliste. Bon. C'est TF1 qui... C'est bon?
We came in a military shop and suddenly here found a very nice bar. A lot of nice French people. We just stay here, order some food. Ronda got some water and a lot of French people. Very nice, very simple. How this French place look like? Very nice. It's so much different from our other places. I've been really interesting to make video about this. Very nice. Here are some tourists came from, I think, UK. Also, so people know about this place. I'm just waiting for my food. Excited how to live.
Voilà,
Bon appétit!
Merci beaucoup. It's very good taste actually. This food is excellent. It's the best food in France I ever had. You need to go this kind of places to get really good food. Now we got some assortment of cheese with grapes. Very good. Some coffee. It's best for local people. It looks like they're constructing this place. Here they have another bar. I think it's a lot of stuff from some kind of antique shop here. This nice round table. This netting. And there is some road coming. People on the bicycles coming, passing.
Turn right onto D979, then enter the roundabout. At the roundabout, take left.
salt, salins, salt which you can buy in shop. Actually, it's produced here. Yes, a lot of trashes. Trash everywhere, basically. People use this like a trash bin. This area, I would say. This is this kind of things not really want to go further. Ронда, иди сюда быстро, ко мне. Typical Camargue. Found a camping actually going to that one. It's this kind of laguna and road goes straight. Little look on the map, it's actually there. Kites, that means it's a lot of wind.
At the roundabout, take the third exit.
Here we have flamingos. This place. Flamingos in the sunset. Here we also have some flamingos there. Horses. There's also a little bit of white horses. I'm not sure how camera shows it, but
Continue on D612.
it's huge rainbow on the horizon. Maybe we'll just drive a couple of meters more and it will be more visible. The road will be more open. And look, it's a huge rainbow actually. I never saw this kind of thing. Actually, I tried to find camping in this region and all of them are closed already and it's quite windy. So I decided to go back to the camping where I was last night. And after that, so I'll continue my journey back. Again, this rainbow. just